Hello everyone! If you have a problem with students getting distracted, web surfing, or playing video games on their Chromebooks during class, this update is for you. We're going to show you the power of a GoGuardian feature called Scenes. When you apply a scene, you can limit websites students have open and even force the number of tabs they can use on Chrome. Let's dive in. Start by opening your GoGuardian teacher dashboard and heading to the Scenes on the left side menu. By the way, if you're new to this, check out the quick tutorial link on the top right. On this page, you have two main options: allowed websites list. You define specific sites and everything else is blocked. This is what we'll use today. Blocked websites list. You define specific sites to block and everything else is allowed. Let's create an allowed websites list. Click Create List, give it a name and color, then click Next. Here you can immediately start typing in specific websites, but my favorite is the Quick Lists button. These are predefined lists from GoGuardian, like the entire G Suite, Google Drive, Docs, etc. I'll select G Suite and click Add to Scene. Then save at the top. We are ready to go. First, let's look at this student. They've bounced from Clever to the File Manager, and now they've opened two new tabs for YouTube and random web surfing. You can take action right now. Hover over those tabs and click Close this tab. Students will get a notification. But a better solution? Applying our scene. Click the checkbox for the student or students, then click Apply a Scene. Choose the list we just created and hit Apply Scene. Immediately, this student will be blocked from every site not defined in our scene. If you realize they need a resource you missed, you can approve it as you go by clicking Unblock for class. One quick note: if a student is showing offline, first, ask them to reboot their device. If they remain offline, contact tech support so we can troubleshoot the device. And that's how you use the power of Scenes to keep your students focused and on task. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.